Hey guys, today I will show you how to make hole without breaking the tile. This is the entire tile which is there. So I'm just going to fix this bracket here. So I'll show you. I have marked this by keeping this on the marker. So I will show you how to make a hole. This is called a diamond bit. There is a diamond tip. You get it in any hardware shop. So I've get it a small and according to the plug which I require. So you have to put in a hammer. In this drill machine, got a slightly in a hammer base. So a hammer is done only for once, just a few seconds, so that it get a marking. I'll just show you. Okay, now it is in hammer. So that's enough. See, you can see there is a marking on that. So after that you can put on a regular this, remove the hammer one. So if you put hammer again, then it could damage the entire tiles. So guys, there is a lot of dust. So I should do something for this dust. Let me show you a trick. 1 second. So I got a polythene bag here. So I'll just stick it so the dust will collect in this polythene bag. That's a good idea. You guys also can do this. So the entire dust will collect in the bag. See guys, this is perfect hole without damaging the tile and all. So when you fix the expensive tiles, so just take care so it doesn't get crack on this tiles and all. No. No. Much